Okay, so we got some stuff from SA Welding Supplies. This video is not sponsored by them. They just graciously gave it to us. So we're going to unbox it now and see what they gave us. And that's a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, so we got a beautiful welding helmet from them. Scissors. Oh, electrician scissors. Yes, see, I'm always in the need for new bits. Yeah, and then we got an unidentified package. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, nice, and some more goggles. Oops. Oh, even amber ones. I'm not really a fan of these ones, just because of how everything just looks yellow. So what else do we get? Oh, okay, so we got some more welding gloves. I'm so glad that I've got more because my old ones are busy breaking. I'm going to show you guys the state of my other welding equipment, just to show you I've been needing these. Okay, starting off with this. This is my old one. The sharp point has been dented in horribly. So finally we have a brand new set. Okay, and we also got some earbuds. At least I can now say that I've got an endless supply of these. Finally we have gotten more welding sticks. Just gonna lay it out nicely just so you guys can actually see all the stuff we got. Wait, I'll actually properly unbox some of these things. I never know how to open these things. Oh, these are nice. Yo, these gloves are beautiful. Check out that. So soft as well. Yes, see, that's beautiful. And now for the big boy. It says that it flips up. Oh wow. Wait, let me just set this whole thing up. Oh. Yo, that's huge. Ah. Oh, do you push it? Oh, okay, so you just push it in and then someone does that. Oh, flip. And then what's the screen stuff for? Oh, here's the manual. Damn, I didn't even notice the manual. Just need to read this real quick. Don't think it's compulsory to support. Okay. I guess we just have 2 extra pieces here. Oh wait. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, it's just if you don't want the clear film. Okay. Yeah, I want the clear film now. So I'll just put those back. Okay, and now, wait, let me put that to the side for now. Now we got these. Yo, these things are beautiful. Why are they not? Oh. Let's see. Check it out. Wait, how does it work? Do you just push it on? Wait, it's too small. Oh, wait. Oh, there you go. And then okay, there you go. Wait, can you see that? Okay, there you go. Check it out. Okay, that's gonna be so nice. And then the screwdrivers. I've also been needing these. It's actually safe to say that I've been needing absolutely everything that's in this box. Is there an easier way to open this? Okay, there you go. I don't think I need this. Yeah, no, I don't need that. Yo, it's so nice to finally have some good quality screwdrivers? Yeah, screwdrivers. Thanks guys so much for watching. It's really been a pleasure opening these things. Thanks again to SA Welding Supplies for supplying all of these goodies. And go check them out if you ever actually need to, I don't know, if you need stuff. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers.